Mount Robson is the highest peak in the Canadian Rockies, at almost 4,000 meters, or just under 13,000 feet. The park was created in 1913 and is the second oldest in the province of British Columbia. The Berg Lake Trail is one of the most spectacular in BC and visited by people from around the world. Adam, Mackenzie, and I are starting the Berg Lake Trail just as it's starting to rain on us. Woo! But we're really thankful for the rain because it was so smoky yesterday you couldn't even see the mountaintops. And rain will clear the smoke. So this is the one time I'm really glad to be hiking in the rain.
Agree.
21 kilometers to go. You ready? To Berg Lake.
I hope so.
Hour and a half to Kinney Lake. Shit.
You can bike as far as this point, and then you have to hike from here. And now we're going across the suspension bridge at the Whitehorn Ranger Station. Look at this. Woohoo! This is fun. And slippery. This is cool. Suspension bridges are awesome. So we've made it to Berg Lake, all 21 kilometers. Just got the tent set up. It took us roughly 7 hours to get here, and we're looking forward to eating some delicious dinner next.
The steep part was pretty steep. Other than that,
warned us.
it was pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty heavy bag.
Cheers,
boy.
Made the Berg Lake.
Cheers to Berg Lake.
Some good old Citricity Grapefruit Zest IPA.
That's really
coming
good.
at you.
The one that Luke has, I've broken twice. I've never been to IKEA. They're all just like.
Yeah.
Robson is so steep and just rises straight up off the other side of the lake. It's just tower. You have to lift your head up to see the top. Photos don't even do this place justice on how beautiful it is. The landscape looks even a little bit like Patagonia or Chile or Argentina, with the rocks and the glacier just falling right into the lake and the blue glacier color of the lake. But here we are in the Canadian Rockies. Sunrise at Berg Lake has been absolutely unbelievable. I have to rub my eyes and ask if what I'm seeing is actually real. I watched the first light hit the peak of Mount Robson and just glow with this red-orange light, and the clouds have been swirling around here down low above the lake. Some mist hanging in the trees. It is one of the most beautiful views I've ever seen in BC. Mount Robson, you are a beauty. I am so glad to be here.
So we've got some peach, banana, oatmeal, seeds, nuts, peanut butter, that's good stuff. That's still pretty good. Yeah. It was warm. A little damp though. My pillow was my rain jacket.
Didn't really sleep. I made the mistake of bringing my ultralight sleeping bag up, so it was pretty chilly. This hike has been a really good reminder, or something I should just really think about, is just getting out more. It's literally like in my backyard, and I would have, without like you and Adam, I would have never even thought to come here and do this hike. And it's, I don't want to say like it's life changing, but it's it's pretty amazing.
Yeah. I love taking pictures. That camera's almost as big as your head.
Yeah, almost.
Yeah. You guys like camping up here?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's so fun.
Yeah.
We got so many pictures on here.
Pretty glad to be here with you guys right now.
Yeah.
I'm happy that you could come along, and
Happy tag along.
yeah, this is a pretty special place and some pretty special memories for sure.
Yeah. But do make the summer worth it.
Right where I'm standing was the toe of the glacier in 1911, the Robson Glacier, which you can't even see, you can barely see it through the trees how far back the Robson Glacier is now. It's retreating at a rate of 15 meters a year, and we're gonna hopefully hike closer. One of the things I love about glaciers is just how the landscape looks out of this world. Sometimes the moraines and all the rock and the rubble looks like a lunar landscape, and I just love how unique it looks and how different. And then seeing the glacier run right into the lake is pretty cool too. And there's a huge waterfall up there coming off the cliff. The glacier, the Robinson Glacier, which we're looking at, all the crevasses look so sharp, and it's just this huge jumbling pile of ice.
Never seen a glacier up this close before, so it's a first for me.
I am at the toe of Robinson Glacier, and right here, all this is ice. I can touch Robinson Glacier, and it's just dripping and melting and hollow all the way underneath. There's this huge ice shelf which just goes way back. It's really cool. I can feel the cool air just rising from the glacier. It's like a fridge just sitting next to it. All right, I've even got dessert tonight, and it's delicious dark chocolate cheesecake mix. What do you guys have?
We have the Kathmandu style curry. It's pretty good so far. It's by Backpacker's Pantry. Pretty
For
tasty.
trekking in the Himalaya.
Yeah. And it's got a lot of water in the bag too.
You still have to mention that. But we were smoke free for all of 24 hours. We had one beautiful day with clear skies, and now it's back to smoke again. And because it's our final morning, we still have to take a dip in Berg Lake before heading out, so it's time to get cold.
How was that?
It was pretty nice. I liked it actually.
Yeah.
And that's how it got its name, Berg Lake. Are you guys ready to hike down 21K to the bottom?
Board ready. Let's do this.
I feel refreshed.
Yeah.
Let's hit it.
Let's kill it. Run it.
Let's run it.
I don't know if you can hear this because it's so loud, but it's 2 times bigger than Niagara Falls. And the same pressure on my bladder as when I wake up in the morning. Absolutely majestic!
I've done it.
Yeah. We did it.
My shoulders. I forgot what those felt like. I have them.
Berg Lake, worth it. Thank you for watching. Woo!